Hello everyone, I'm going to call something I call the Northern Lights Diceiver. It's only made with like 3 different materials, so it's pretty simple to tie. It is articulated, so we'll need some wire or mono or something, however you tie your articulated flags up with. I'm using Danville 210. Gonna use some Northern Lights silver and hot chartreuse from Flat Tower Stunch. You're just gonna get a small hank because we are gonna be doubling this over, so about that much. Some of them still use too much. What we're gonna do is you're gonna take that hank and then fold it in half. Cut it. Then you're gonna take this and taper the ends a little bit. That's good enough. I'm gonna get about the same amount. Once again, fold it over. Cut in half. Save that for the next part of the fly. Now you want another hank of silver and hot chartreuse. Same thing, cut in half. Your next bottom piece, how I like to do it, is I'll split it and then I'll blow. Kind of separate a little bit. And then I'll put that right up against the hook. Makes it a lot easier to separate, I think. Whip finish. I like to take some Sally Hansen's hardest nails and coat that. I forgot to mention that was a #1 hook. This is a 1/0 saltwater hook. I don't think I mentioned that at the beginning. Now you're going to take some, that's what I use beetle on. It's for making necklaces and stuff. Get it to Hobby Lobby. It's 49 strain. Take a bead, plastic, glass, it don't matter. I just use these pearl plastic ones from Walmart for like, I think I bought like 200 of them for like $1. Then take your hook, make sure you got your hook pointed down or on the bottom. Then go up to the bottom, and then back through the bead. Take it, pull it up. I'll make a couple loose wraps just to get it to hold it there. And then I'll make my final adjustment with the gap. Right there, about another bead width gap right here on this loop. Then take some super glue. top where that wire is to help hold it in. Also forgot, take like a rubber band or a hairband to help secure that hook, keep you from stabbing yourself so much. You can even use regular old fish skulls from Flamin' Company, but I like the FTD ones because they dye them, and it says olive, but I think it looks more black. But and the only problem is there's only like one size from the FTD. I'm hoping they get some smaller ones because I really need to use like a 2/0 hook on this, but I don't have any. Now this part kind of sucks. That's the best way I found to figure this part out, or to do this part, is to take some UV resin thick, and I'm gonna fill up this fish skull and or this fish face, and it's gonna give it some weight also. Help hold it down, and it pretty much cements that fish face in to where it ain't gonna move anymore after that. Take this, you shove it in that gap. And I'll fill up the back side as well. Now, on these other colored fish faces, this UV light does penetrate. I don't know about this black one, but it does penetrate the like the clear, because like all the other ones are semi-transparent. So this one's the darkest one. And I'm gonna turn this around, flip my vise upside down, clamp that. Alright, let's put it back in the vise. Alright, now we're gonna put eyes on. I'm gonna put these reptile eyes on. I got these on Amazon. These are kind of like the dragon eyes from Flyman. Dab with super glue. Now we're going to take some UV flow. Typically only do like 4 drops right here, sometimes 5. And then I'll fill up that area to help lock that eye in. Set it. Then I'll take UV thin with the brush. And there you have it. Northern Lights Diceiver. It's very flashy. This Northern Lights material is very limp, so there's a lot of movement in it. It looks a little real bushy right now, but whenever it gets wet, it slims down. You can tie it in all kinds of different colors. They've got probably 40 different colors of Northern Lights on FTD. If you guys want to get some of that, go to theflattiresdungeon.com, and I think it's like $2 for a pack. Flat Tires Dungeon is really reasonably priced with their stuff. I order quite a bit of stuff from them, like Scudback and stuff like that. Some of their dubbing, especially their nymph dubbing, I really like it. And then some of these that are kind of like scraggled, you know, like coming out at weird angles. I usually trim those up, but you can tie them in all kinds of different colors. And yeah, there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more.